Currencies.
Mother, is it 1 rupee coin? And that golden one is 5 rupee coin?
Yes, Ria. Do you want to know about Indian coin and currencies of some other countries?
Yes, Mother, I do.
Okay, let's learn. Currencies of some countries: USA dollar, UK pound, Japan yen, China yuan, Pakistan rupee, Sri Lanka rupee, Nepal rupiah, Bangladesh taka, France franc, Russia ruble, Australia Australian dollar. Indian coins: 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees. 50 paise is equal to half rupee. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 200 paise is equal to 2 rupees. 500 paise is equal to 5 rupees. Indian currency notes: 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupee, 500 rupee, 1000 rupee.